as I keep on saying that Apple results are not just pertaining about the company, it's about the entire industry, how the industry is shaping up. So a couple of interesting things from the recently announced quarterly results of Apple. Now, the MacBook sales are up, so not a good news for Windows-based, laptop OEM or laptop makers. In fact, among across all the categories or revenue streams for Apple, MacBook saw the highest growth rate of 15% in terms of revenue. When we check year on year. So people are buying more and more MacBooks, and we are seeing this phenomena in India also. There is a penetration in MSMEs. There is also penetration is funded startups. So as we see more and more Gen Z joining the workforce, they have a strong preference towards MacBook. Many of them would have an iPhone already, and it kind of completes their ecosystem. So there is a strong preference towards MacBooks, and the results reflect that. Uh, Now, after MacBook, the two other categories where Apple has seen good growth, double-digit growth, is iPhones and services. So both registered a 13% growth in revenue year on year. However, the other two categories, which is iPads and the wearables, that is posting a negative growth rate. So we are seeing dip in it, and this is not a good news for many, or I would say plethora of brands which exist in wearables in India, although they are on a different price range, and they are also thinking of, and many of them have already, charted their strategy of premiumizing the products, but they need to have do this cautiously, looking at the Apple results. So wearables is not a category which is growing for Apple, and so it will not be for the industry also. And iPads surprisingly are also showing a dip, while iPad used to be one of the kind of marquee products of Apple. So that's also seeing a dip. Now this is again a flag for, I'd say, a red flag for many OEMs in the Android space, which thought of diversifying into tablets and this form factor. I think they also need to reconsider their strategy about going strong and so to say bullish about the tablet form factor. That's what I had to share with you today. We'll be back with you another tech pie. Till then, have a great time.